If you own a car and suddenly see that little check engine light chillin' on your dash with a code reader screaming P0420, congratulations, you're officially living every driver's mild nightmare. This notoriously cryptic code just means catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Fun, huh? A P0420 code almost always means your catalytic converter, the thing that eats up nasties in your exhaust, is not doing its job. Most common pain point, the fix, according to the dealership, is usually replace the cat. That's $1,000 to $2,500 out the window. Can Cat Cleaner fix it? That's the Hail Mary play everyone tries before dropping a mortgage payment on a mechanic. Cat Cleaner is basically a chemical cocktail you dump in your fuel tank, hoping it'll magically scrub the gunk off your catalytic converter and get your system happy, at least enough to fool the sensors. No shame in it. Mechanics see hundreds of folks attempting this with a glimmer of hope in their eye. And statistically, on older cars, Cat Cleaner buys about 30% of people a few thousand more miles without that dreaded light blinking at them again. Let's walk through the steps. First, buy a reputable cat cleaner. There are like 50 options at auto parts stores: Cataclean, Seafoam, CRC, you name it. Pro tip, buy 2 bottles if you have a bigger gas tank, over 16 gallons, or drive a truck. Next, make sure your tank is already low, like below a quarter. This is important because the cleaner works best when it's concentrated. Dump the full bottle into the tank. Then, fill up with premium gas, even if you're usually a budget unleaded type. Now, you're basically supposed to drive your car like you stole it. Seriously, that's the advice. Get the engine nice and hot, think at least 15 minutes on the highway, then drive several cycles, starting and stopping a few times. The goal is to get the converter cooking at high temps. A lot of people fail because they just dump the stuff in, do a polite trip to the grocery store, and expect miracles. Nope, that won't cut it. You need to burn off the residue that's clogging the converter, and highway driving at speed is key. Clear the code with a cheap OBD2 scanner once you're done. If you don't, the car's brain will just keep sulking over the old data. These scanners cost $20 tops, or check if your local auto parts store lets you borrow one for free. If the code comes back right away, that's bad news. Your cat is probably toast, or there's something more serious. Oxygen sensors can trigger the same code a lot. But if it stays gone for a week or more, you bought yourself a sweet little grace period. A pro tip, never run additives back to back or combine different cleaners. That's chemistry class, and your engine isn't equipped for bold experiments. Also, don't use cat cleaner if your engine is misfiring or burning oil. Fix those issues first, or you're just tossing money into the tank. For the truly desperate among us, yes, some have gambled on straight pipes or weird emission hacks to kill the code, but honestly, it's risky and illegal in a lot of states, especially places like Portland that check real emissions in testing. Put simply, Cat Cleaner is the $25 lottery ticket for car repair. Sometimes you win back your peace of mind for a season, but don't count on it as your long-term fix. That's just the price of admission for driving an aging car and hoping for a little luck.